Hi students, good morning to all of you. This is Digambar and welcome to the my channel Easy Learning. So today students we will discuss the most important parts of English language and that is called part of speech. This part. So students you all know we all human beings are so many body parts like that in our speech, in our daily conversation we have also some parts and these parts divided into 8 kinds. How many kinds? 8 kinds. So this is called parts of speech. So read the definition about this. Words are divided into 8 different kinds. These kinds are known as parts of speech. So ये जो स्पीच है, जो कन्वर्सेशन है, इसको बहुत सारे वर्ड के द्वारा हमको मेकिंग किया जाता है. इट मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग सो मेनी वर्ड्स फॉर मेकिंग ए मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. So why it is necessary, students, part of speech? So it is very necessary in English language because in our daily conversation we all are using so many words for our expression. When we are trying to express our thought, we need some words. So what type of words? These type of words. So let us discuss about something. So this is some sentence. Ria, speak slowly. Here we have one sentence. Ria, speak slowly. Now you can see in this sentence we have 3 parts. 1 part, 2 parts and 3 parts. The first part is called noun. Why? Because it's a name of a person or name of a girl. Now second part is called verb and third part is called what? It's adverb. So using these type of words we are forming a sentence, we are making a sentence, we are making a meaningful sentence. Without parts of speech we cannot make a meaningful sentence or we cannot express our thought. So dear students, it is most important in English language. Now come to the discuss about what are the types here. Now you can see here there are 8 kinds. The first count is noun, second pronoun, third adjective, fourth verb, fifth adverb, sixth preposition, seventh conjunction and eighth is interjection. So these are 8 parts of speech. Now you can say 8 types of words. So using these types of words, using these types we are making a sentence. So एक सेंटेंस में ये सारे वर्ड को हम मिला के एक सेंटेंस और मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. ये जो एक एक वर्ड है जो 8 पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच मैंने आपको बोला, नाउन, प्रोनाउन और एडजेक्टिव, इसको लेकर हम कुछ मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाते हैं जिसके द्वारा हम हमारा जो थॉट्स है हम दूसरे के साथ व्यक्त कर पाते हैं. So you remember when our mother gives food, so this is a food, we have so many items. So what? We eat rice also, we eat dal also, we eat curry also. So this is also part. Rice, dal and curry, these are the parts of food. So it is part of food. So when we are speaking or when we started our conversation, we also use some words and we also use some parts. These parts are called parts of speech. Now I'm just drawing a head for you. I'm just drawing for you. Look here. It is like a head. I am not a good drawer. So here we speak. We started conversation. With whom? We started conversation using the parts of speech. So what are the parts? Here you can say noun. Here you can say pronoun. Here you can say verb. So we are using noun. We are using pronoun. We are using verb. So using these parts where we started conversation, we started speaking. So this is called parts of speech. So speech means what? Speech means conversation. Speech means speaking, what we are speaking. So students, let us discuss about today only noun, pronoun and adjective. What are they? Here is a noun. So what is noun, students? A noun is the name of the person, animal, place, thing and any quality. So look at the picture. Students, here is a small boy standing before you. So who is he? Do you know him? Yes, we know him because he is our cute boy, Soumya, standing inside the temple. So here Soumya is a boy, so it's a noun. Why it's a noun? Because according to the definition, a noun is the name of a person, name of an animal, name of a place, name of a thing, name of any quality. So in the past sentence, Soumya is a good boy. So here Soumya is a name of a boy. So Soumya is a name of a boy, it's a particular boy, so it's a proper noun. But boy, it is also a noun, but it has no particular name, so we can call it only common name, but it is noun. Now, look at the second sentence, Aisha lives at Bhavanipatna. So here, in this sentence, we found two nouns. One is Aisha and second one is Bhavanipatna. So what is Aisha? Aisha is a girl name. So Aisha is a person, or you can say it's a noun, because person is also a noun. Now, Bhavanipatna, it also refers to place. Yes or no? Place here. So Bhavanipatna is a place name. So it is also a noun. We all love friendship. Yes, it is also a noun. Friendship is a noun and it is a quality. So we can call it is also a noun. So clear? Hope you are clear about not only this thing but also things. You can take any example. Example of things, table. Table is also things, so we can call noun. Now, animal, here, dog, cat, they all are animals. So they are also noun. Now come to the next part, that is called pronoun. Here, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun to avoid the repetition. प्रोनाउन एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जो नाउन के जगह पे हम उसको यूज करते हैं और जो अवॉइड के लिए, किसको अवॉइड करने के लिए, रेपिटिशन, जो नाउन का जो पुनरावृत्ति होता है, बार बार जो एगेन एंड एगेन यूज होता है, सो हम इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए, अवॉइड द रेपिटिशन ऑफ नाउन, वी ऑल आर यूजिंग प्रोनाउन. सो लुक एट द फर्स्ट sentence. So here are some examples. Here these are the examples of noun: I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Not only this, there are so many also noun. There are so many types of pronoun. So we will discuss it in another video. So look at the first example. Here we have some example. Srijit took his bike. Srijit went to the market. In first sentence, Srijit took his bike. In second sentence, I again use the same word, Srijit. But when we are using the same word again and again in a sentence or in a two sentence, it doesn't sound well. So, to avoid the repetition of this sound, to avoid the repetition of this name, Srijit, we all are using pronoun, or I use some pronoun. What is? Look here. Srijit took his bike. It is fine in first sentence. But here I changed the noun. I put a pronoun in place of noun. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, पहले वाक्यों में Srijit दो बार यूज किया गया है. Here Srijit has used for 2 times. But here you see here I replaced the noun. I replaced the noun and I placed the pronoun in place of Srijit. सीजित के जगह पे मैंने किसको यूज कर दिया? ही, सो दैट it looks well or it sounds well. Clear all that? Because students, when we all are eating the same food again and again, or you can say that every day, we all are feeling boring. So our mother changed different items. Why? Because for the different taste. Like that, we are all are using pronoun for this. So now come to the next and last video, that is called adjective. So what is adjective? The word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun is called adjective. बच्चों यहाँ से ध्यान से सुनो, the word that is used, एक ऐसा word है जो यूज किया जाता है, the word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun, एक ऐसा word है जो कि कुछ नाउन को, जो नाउन का मीनिंग, कुछ एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि एक्स्ट्रा मीनिंग ऐड करता है, किसका? नाउन का, और नाउन के साथ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मीनिंग जो ऐड करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. नाउ यू कैन से द वर्ड दैट टेल्स मोर अबाउट ए नाउन इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. वर्ड एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो एक नाउन के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बताता है. इफ आई से ही इज ए मैन, ही इज ए मैन, सो हियर मैन इज ए नाउन. बट यहाँ पे मैन एक सिंपल मैन है, यहाँ पे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया गया है नाउन के बारे में. बट व्हेन आई विल से ही इज ए गुड मैन, सो द गुड इज ए एडजेक्टिव एंड दैट वर्ड टेल्स समथिंग मोर अबाउट ए मैन. मैन के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बताया, किस तरीके सा लड़का है, किस तरीका सा आदमी है, किस तरीके सा वो एक अच्छा, इट्स गुड. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट, लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. It also tells about size, shape, color and number. It also tells, ये किसके बारे में बात करता है? साइज के बारे में, शेप के बारे में, कलर के बारे में and also नंबर के बारे में. So look at this picture. Here we have 5 students. They are standing in a queue. There are 4 children. Sorry, I mistake written here 4, but you can count it 4 because Sumya is not visible. So I have written here 4. So we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 1, 2, 3, and 4? Leave the Sumya. So there are 4 children standing in a queue. So what an adjective says? An adjective says about number. So 4 is also a number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is also a number. So it is also called an adjective. Now, Sayarpit is the tallest. Sayarpit is the tallest among all. इन सबके बीच में कौन tallest है? Sayarpit. This is Sayarpit. Yes or no? So Sayarpit सबसे लंबा है, tallest है. So tallest is also telling about the size. So it is also called an adjective. Now Gaurav has a black umbrella. See, this boy, he is Gaurav. Yes or no? So Gaurav has a black umbrella. गौरव के पास एक black color का umbrella है. So black is also tells about a color here. So it is also an adjective. So an adjective tells about the number, tells about the color, tells about the size, and also shape. Shape means that you can say round, you can say oval, you can say rectangle, you can say triangle. These are the shapes, and that is also an adjective. So hope students you all are clear about the video. So students, it is my first video, maybe some mistake are there, so forgive me. And any doubt about the topic you can ask me, and you can also check the same video in my YouTube channel. When you all are free, you can see this video by searching YouTube. Thank you.